on projects when the decorative stitching is very dense. This foot has a tunnel or groove on the underside, allowing densely sewn stitches to pass freely underneath. Most styles of the satin foot are transparent, allowing you to see through the foot as you stitch. The most common use for the satin foot is applique. Secure the applique to the base fabric with either a fusible web or with fabric spray adhesive. If necessary, stabilize your fabric with interfacing, depending on the weight of your fabric. Place tearaway stabilizer under the base fabric. This will help keep the dense stitches from tunneling. Loosen the upper thread tension slightly, which will allow the top thread to slightly pull to the bottom, creating smooth satin stitches. Stitch around the applique, stopping to pivot the fabric at the corners or to negotiate curves. The stitches should be close enough together so that no fabric shows through the stitching, but not so close that the fabric doesn't want to feed. Remove the tearaway stabilizer when finished. Rows and rows of dense